Welcome to this CapCut PC tutorial where I'll show you how to create stunning outline transparent text effects. Let's get started with this video example. Begin by going to the Text tab and adding default text. Adjust the duration to match the video length. Enter your desired text and customize the text style. Scroll down and add a stroke effect. Choose white color and set the thickness to 11. Next, duplicate and paste the video overlay on the top layer. Now, go to Remove BG for the video, click on Custom Removal, use the Smart Brush to outline the cat, and then click on Apply to remove the cat background. After removing the cat background, duplicate and paste the text overlay on the top layer. Adjust the text color to black. Right-click to create a composite clip. Move on to the video basics. Click on Blend and choose Brighten. Click on the middle text layer, go to the Animation tab, and apply the Type 1 animation. Adjust the duration as needed. And there you have it. I hope this video tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.